front of me is OPPO FIND N2 FLIP, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down right away to access About Device. Now tap on device name over here and type in wherever you wish to. When you're ready, save your changes by tapping on Save in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my smartphone has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!